Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a boat in the Deckee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the account button. And then click on the My Boats button. And then click on the plus sign at the top of the page on the right. So first you can add a photo of your boat if you want to, and then you have to give your boat's name, and then you have to set the type. So if it's a sailboat or a motorboat, you have to give the boat make or the model. And then you can provide the registration number, so if it has one, and then you can also give a call sign. And there are some specifics that you can give, so like the length of your boat, you can give it in meters or feet. So like, I don't know, like 20. You can set the beam and then the draft as well. And then you can also give the capacity if you want to. And once you are done with everything, just click on the Save and Continue button. And your boat is added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.